Myself, Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about the MCQ questions on single phase transformer. This is part 2. It will be useful for GATE examination as well in competitive examinations. So I'm going to discuss about some MCQs. Question number 1. An ideal transformer is one in which has no loss, same number of primary and secondary turns. Okay, that is a question number 1. Answer is B. The maximum flux produced in the core of the transformer is directly proportional to the supply frequency. No. Inversely proportional to the supply voltage. No. It is proportional to the supply voltage चलता था. Inversely proportional to the supply frequency. Yes, this is a C is correct answer. It is inversely proportional to the supply frequency, right? Okay. Question number 3 is, this is the transformer we have given. So yes, equivalent resistance on primary. So they want R01. Equivalent resistance are referred to primary is equal to R1 plus secondary resistance R2 referred to primary. So R2 dash equal to R1 plus R2. अगर आप सेकेंडरी रेजिस्टेंस रेफर टू प्राइमरी करेंगे so we have to divide by k square, right? Where k equal to what? K equal to what? E2 upon E1. E2 upon E1, that is 400 upon 6600 equal to 2 by 33. K equal to, okay, so R01 equal to R1 is what? 2.5 plus R2 means 0.01 upon K square. K square कितना है? K equal to upon K square है ना? Upon K square. K square means यहाँ आएगा so okay, so 33 square ऊपर चला जाएगा. So I'm doing it with the help of calculator. I'm getting the answer. It is B. Answer is correct. B. Okay, third answer B is correct. Okay. Okay. Question number 4. Same question, but secondary side. Okay. So sorry. Okay. So R02. R02 equal to what? R2 plus R1 into K square. K equal to what? K equal to E2 upon E1 equal to 404 upon 66, 2 by 33. So R2 is what? 0.01. R1 कितना? 0.5 into 2 by 33 square. Okay, so just using the calculator I am getting it. Question number 4. Yes, I am getting 0.019, 0.0198. Yes, C is correct answer, right? Okay. Question number 5. A 15 kVA 2200/110 volt transformer has X1 is this one. So I want equivalent, sorry, X01. Same formula. X01 equal to X1 plus X2 by K square, right? K कितना है? What is K? K equal to 110 E2 upon E1. 1 by 20. K equal to 1 by 20. So X01 equal to what? X1 is what? X1 2.6 plus X2 is 0.0075 upon K square. Upon K square मतलब into उल्टा हो जाएगा 20 square. So I will just using the calculator, I'm getting 5.6. That is the answer. Yes, 5.6. P answer is correct. Okay. Okay. B is correct. Question number 6. 15 kVA, this transformer has x1 equal to this, x2 equal to this, total. So x01, what was the x01? Okay, x01 equal to what? I want to find x02. So x02 directly you can say x01 multiply by k square. सेम प्रॉब्लम, पिछले वाला प्रॉब्लम 6 था वही था 5th का. अगर डायरेक्टली सेकेंडरी साइड ले जाना तो के स्क्वायर, x01 कितना था 5 पॉइंट, इट वाज 5.6 इंटू के स्क्वायर कितना है 1/20 स्क्वायर. सो 400 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो आई एम गेटिंग x02, I am getting A answer is correct, 0.014 answer, right? Okay. Question number 7. 250 kVA single phase transformer has iron loss this. Full load copper loss 2000 watt. Find the efficiency at full load. Okay. So efficiency equal to what? Output. Output कितना है 2000, 250,000, 250 kVA into power factor is what? 0.8 upon 250,000 into 0.8, that is the output, plus losses का है 2000 plus 1800 into 100. Okay, so if you do it, I'm just doing the calculation. This is 2 lakhs upon 2 lakhs plus this. So just I'm going to use the calculator. I'm getting it. Yes, I'm getting 98.135. 98.135. B answer is correct. Just do it, you will get 98.135, right? Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8. Same question है. Efficiency at 50% load. Efficiency at 50% load, right? So क्या आएगा efficiency equal to? So I'm going to do it. Efficiency at half load equal to 250 into power factor is what? 0.8 at 50% load मतलब into 1/2 upon 1/2 into 250 into 0.8 plus iron loss is what? Iron loss 1800 watt plus copper loss will be changed with the square of current. ये कितना हो जाएगा 2000 था फुल लोड पे, तो हाफ लोड पे क्या हो जाएगा हाफ का स्क्वायर, दैट इज 1/4 into 100. Okay, so if you do it, I'm getting, just using the calculator, I'm getting the answer. Yes, I'm getting 97.75. 97.75. That is the answer. Okay. Question number 9. The copper loss of certain transformer at half full load is measured as 200 watt. Then the copper loss at full load will be half load पे कितना है 200, फुल लोड पे क्या होगा 2 times का स्क्वायर, मतलब एट हाफ लोड पे वट एवर द करंट इज देयर, फुल लोड पे क्या हो जाएगा, करंट विल बी डबल, सो कॉपर लॉस विल बी double square, that is 200 into 4 means 800 watt. Answer is 800 watt. That is the D answer is correct, right? Okay. 10. That was a 9. Okay, 10. Copper loss of a certain transformer at half full load is measured 250 watt. The copper loss at full load will be, obviously अगर हाफ लोड पे 250 वाट है तो फुल लोड पे कितना होगा, 250 इंटू डबल का स्क्वायर मीन्स 1000 वाट. सी आंसर इज करेक्ट. 10 का सी इज करेक्ट, राइट. 11. Copper loss of a certain full load of at half, sorry, copper loss of certain transformer at half full load is measured 275 watt. Then the copper loss at full load, again same question, full load पे क्या होगा, डबल का स्क्वायर, 275 plus 275 plus 275 plus 275, 1100 watt, right? ये answer is correct. 12. Transformer, if the transformation ratio K and its secondary impedance is Z2, then its secondary impedance referred to primary side. Yes, refer to primary side. इसको बोलते हैं Z2 डैश. अगर आप Z2 है और प्राइमरी साइड में ला रहे हैं तो Z2 कितना हो जाएगा, इट वाज Z2, राइट. सो कितना हो जाएगा, Z2 अपॉन के स्क्वायर. अगर आप प्राइमरी साइड में ला रहे हैं तो के स्क्वायर. ओके, सो Z2 अपॉन के स्क्वायर. सो बी आंसर इज करेक्ट. 12 का बी. ओके, सो बी आंसर इज करेक्ट. Thirteen. No load secondary voltage of transformer is 400 volt, while it drops to 395 volt. Okay, okay. So full load, its regulation is, sorry, 13. Regulation is what? Percentage R equal to, it was 400 minus 395 upon 400 into 100. So 5 upon 400 into 100. If you multiply by 100, it is 500 upon 400, 1.25%, right? So it is answer is 1.25%. A is correct. That is the answer, right? Okay. 14th. In direct loading test, the wattmeter on load side reads 255 watt. Okay. Then the wattmeter on supply side reads 250 watt. Then its efficiency. Efficiency is what? W2 upon W1. W2 is 225 upon 250. So 225 upon 250 into 100. So if you do it, 9 by 10, that is 90%. Okay, so it is A answer is correct. 14 ka A. 14 ka A. Okay, right? Next. 15. A 2000 volt oblique 200 volt 20 kVA ideal transformer has 66 turns on the secondary. The number of primary turns. So sorry. So N2 upon N1 equal to E2 upon E1. E2 कितना है, 200 upon E1 2000. N2 कितना है, ideal transformer है 6600. So what about the N1? So N1 equal to what? 66 into 2000 upon 200. Okay. So I think it is 660. 60 answer is correct, right? Okay. Okay. Next question. Question number 16. Okay. The average EMF per turn on transformer 4.44 F5M. Average EMF. That is what? That is 4.44 F5M EMF per turn on primary side. That is the RMS value. Average value क्या होती है? Form factor. You know form factor. What is the form factor? Kf upon RMS upon average equal to 1.11. So average value क्या होगी? What is the average value? RMS upon 1.11. Okay, RMS value होती है 4.44 F5M. If you divide by 1.11, you will get 4. So it is 4. A answer is correct. 16 का A, right? The 17. The value of the flux used in EMF equation of the transformer is maximum. वहाँ पर फार्मूला में phi m है. You can see here maximum. For a 50 Hz transformer, the primary turns are 100 and maximum flux in the core is 0.08 Weber. Then primary side induced EMF. Okay, E1 primary side voltage E1 equal to what? E1 equal to what? 4.44. 4.44 F. What is F? 50. Phi M is what? 0.08. 4.44 F phi M N1. Number of turns N1 means 100. So if you use it, you will get E1 equal to 1776. Yes, C answer is correct. Right? Okay. Question number 19. Value of the induced EMF per turn in transformer is RMS value. Okay, RMS value is 4.44 F5M per turn है तो divide by E1 upon N1 है. That is answer A. The transformer the induced EMF on primary is this with 50 turns at 50 Hertz. The frequency for the maximum flux 50 Hertz frequency phi m. So what is the value of phi m? Phi m equal to क्या होता है? E1 upon 4.44 F N1. Yeah, we know E1 equal to 4.44 F phi m N1. So phi m you can calculate. Okay. So E1 equal to what? 199.8 divided by 4.44. F is 50. N1 is given 50. Okay. So if you do it 20. Question number 20. Just it is 18 milliweber. B answer is correct. B. Okay. Question number 21. An ideal transformer is one which is having no losses. Ideal transformer, no losses, correct. Zero resistance, correct. Zero leakage flux, correct. इसका मतलब D answer is correct. All of above. Okay. That is the answer. 21. Okay. Question number 22. A 250 oblique 25 volt transformer having 1 kVA rating. The flux primary rating, the primary current is okay. So what is the primary current? I1 equal to what? I1 equal to volt ampere rating upon V1. और I2 निकालना होता तो क्या होता? Volt ampere rating divided by V2. Both side power will be same. Volt ampere rating will be same. If you divide by V1, you will get I1. If you divide by V2, you will get I2. So here I have given rating is 1000. 1 kVA means 1000, right? And you have to find primary voltage, that is 250. So you will get 4. Answer is B, right? For a 10 kVA 2000/200 volt transformer, the half load secondary current I2 full load, what is I2 full load? VA rating कितना है 10 kVA, okay, secondary voltage कितना 200, so you are getting 50 ampere, so half load पे कितना हो जाएगा 25 ampere, right? So this is the answer. I am rubbing it. Okay. Question number 24. In a step up transformer, क्या कांस्टेंट रहने वाला है? समथिंग इज रिमेन कांस्टेंट. वोल्टेज नो, it will increase. Current it will decrease. Power, yes, power will remain same, right? Power will not be changed. C answer is correct. Transformation ratio in a transformer is equal to, transformation ratio means the K equal to E2 upon E1, no, N1 upon N2, no, N2 upon N1, E2 upon E1 equal to N2 upon N1 equal to I1 upon I2. That is not correct. So N2 upon N1, right? So these are the answers. Okay. This is the answer sheet I have given. Please see here. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.